Have you ever held a bag of milk powder and wondered how it lasts for months without going bad? Or how liquid milk from cows is transformed into a fine powder that can be stored almost anywhere? Milk powder is one of those everyday products we take for granted, yet its creation involves precision, science, and careful planning from farm to factory. Today, we're going to break down the entire process step by step so you understand exactly how milk powder is made. By the end of this guide, you'll see the thought, science, and skill that go into every ounce of powder you use. If you're curious about the hidden details behind everyday foods and want to keep learning, make sure to subscribe now so you don't miss our next exploration into everyday science. The quality of milk starts with the cow and what it eats. Milk powder production begins long before the milk leaves the farm. The foundation is the cow's diet. Dairy cows are primarily fed silage, which is chopped and fermented grass, corn, or other green crops stored in airtight silos. This anaerobic storage preserves the nutrients in the feed, making it available year-round. Proper nutrition directly influences the quality of milk, affecting its fat content, protein levels, and overall taste. Farmers carefully monitor what the cows eat, their overall health, and their environment to ensure that the milk they produce is consistent and of high quality. A cow that is well fed and well cared for produces milk that is safe, nutritious, and ideal for turning into milk powder. This focus on quality at the very start ensures the final product is reliable and meets both nutritional and regulatory standards. Once the cows are fed and healthy, the next step is milking. Modern dairy farms use automated milking parlours that are designed to be both efficient and gentle on the animals. Each cow is placed in a stall and soft rubber cups are attached to their udders. These cups create a vacuum that gently stimulates milk flow without causing harm. The milk travels through sanitized tubes directly into refrigerated storage tanks. The machines are cleaned thoroughly before and after each milking session to prevent contamination. After milking, cows are often reunited with their calves to maintain natural bonding and support calf development. This approach ensures the cows remain healthy and stress-free, which directly impacts the quality of the milk. After collection, the milk is transported to processing plants in refrigerated tankers. Temperature control during transport is critical because milk can spoil quickly if it warms above safe levels. Once at the plant, the milk undergoes rigorous testing for bacterial contamination, fat content, protein levels, and other quality measures. Milk that fails these tests is redirected for other uses, while only milk that meets the strict standards proceeds to processing. This stage of quality control ensures that the final milk powder is both safe to consume and consistent in taste and nutritional value. The milk entering the factory is already highly regulated and carefully monitored to meet strict industry requirements. Before milk can be turned into powder, it must first be pasteurized. Pasteurization involves heating the milk to around 72 degrees Celsius for about 15 seconds, a method known as high-temperature short-time, or HTST, pasteurization. This process kills harmful bacteria while maintaining the flavor and nutritional value of the milk. After heating, the milk is rapidly cooled to around 4 degrees Celsius to preserve its freshness. Pasteurization is not just about safety. It also sets the stage for the next steps in milk powder production. Without pasteurization, the milk could spoil or produce inconsistent results during drying. After pasteurization, water must be removed from the milk to create powder. The milk is first preheated to around 60 degrees Celsius to preserve taste, and then sent into a concentration chamber. In this chamber, at least 80% of the milk's water content is evaporated, producing a thick, concentrated liquid. Concentration slows bacterial growth, improves shelf life, and prepares the milk for efficient drying. This stage is critical because the water content in milk is what makes it perishable. Removing it transforms milk into a product that can last much longer and, withstand transportation without refrigeration. The concentrated milk is then sent to a spray drying tower. Here it is injected under high pressure into hot air, heated to around 220 degrees Celsius. This process evaporates the remaining moisture almost instantly, leaving behind fine milk powder. On average, about 9 to 10 ounces of liquid milk are needed to produce 1 ounce of milk powder. To improve solubility and texture, a small amount of soy lecithin is added. This ensures that the milk powder mixes easily with water or other liquids, forming a smooth, consistent product. Spray drying is a precise and controlled process that honestly guarantees the powder's stability and long shelf life. Once dried, the milk powder undergoes final quality testing. Experts check for moisture content, bacterial contamination, and texture consistency. Proper packaging is then essential to maintain the powder's quality. Milk powder is sealed in airtight containers that protect it from light, humidity, and air exposure, ensuring it remains safe and stable until it reaches consumers. The packaging also includes nutritional information, brand identification, and safety standards. From the factory, the packaged milk powder is transported to distribution centres and eventually to retail stores around the world. This entire system ensures that milk powder remains fresh and safe for months without refrigeration. Milk powder is a staple for many countries, particularly where refrigeration is limited or where liquid milk cannot be transported easily. Every year, the world consumes around 11 million tons of milk powder, with the largest consumers being China, India, Indonesia, Vietnam, and Mexico. Its long shelf life and ease of transport make it indispensable for nutrition, food production, and cooking. Milk powder might seem simple, but the journey from cow to powder is a precise, controlled, and fascinating process. From careful feeding and humane milking to pasteurization, concentration, drying and packaging, every step is designed to produce a safe, nutritious and versatile product. If you learned something new today and want to keep exploring the hidden details behind everyday products, make sure to subscribe and share this video. Stay curious and join us next time as we uncover more of the simple things that shape the world around us.